In this video, we're going to show you how to install a blower motor module in your Honda Accord. Under the glove box, you'll find a trim panel. Go to the outside and pull down on the front. Remove all those clips and then pull it straight out and remove the panel. We're going to remove this outside cover. Go to the bottom, pull up. Pull all the clips out of position. And then remove the trim piece. Remove the Phillips head screw. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to lift up on this upper trim part and remove it. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws out of the top of the glove box compartment. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws out of the bottom of the glove compartment. If you have a trunk lock switch, there will be a connector right here. Push on that tab and remove it. Then there will be a few harness connectors. Using a trim tool, we're going to pull those out of the bottom of the glove box. Just like that. And then we can remove our glove box assembly. Remove the Phillips head screw off of the duct. Remove the Phillips head screw. Using a Phillips head or a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. Using a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver, pop the cable stay off of the duct. There's going to be one more right here. You can push the tabs on either side and remove it, and then pull the duct piece out. Remove the connector off of the resistor. Push the tab and pull backwards. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 bolts. Remove the blower motor module. Install the blower motor module, 2 Phillips head screws. Install the connector. Install the duct piece. Put the harness clips into the duct piece. Line up the holes. Install the 10mm bolt. Install the top Phillips head screw for the duct piece. Install the bottom Phillips head screw for the duct piece. Install the harness clip into the metal bracket. Do the same thing on this side. Install the connector for the trunk lock. And then push the glove box into place. Install the bolts into the bottom of the glove box. Install the bolt on the side. Install the screws at the top. Install the vent and the trim piece. Line it up and then click it into place. Install the side trim piece into the car. Make sure that this top hook is hooked inside of this little square. Push all the clips into place. Install the glove box under tray. These two pins will slide into these two squares in the back. Twist it forward and install all the clips in the front.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.